Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it's going to be a slime review, and what I am going to be showing you is some of my slimes I basically had for a really long time. So here's one of them. It's like a cotton candy slime, so it's like basically a blue slime with rainbow foam beads in it, and I've had it for like 2 years already. I love this color blue. It's so cool. Okay, moving on to the next slime that I have is this butter slime. So it's like a pink butter slime. That's basically all it is. I mean, it looks white, but it's like a tint of pink to it. And this slime is like so stretchy. Comment down below, what slime is your favorite slime? Like, which type of slime is your favorite slime? Okay, next slime is this. I think this one is kind of melted. It is a clear slime, and it just has green food coloring in it. And it looks like it needs some borax in it. This slime is really old. I had it for like 3 years. I don't think it needs it. I don't know which one I like better. It's between the butter slime and the clear slime, but I don't really know which one. The clear slime isn't always stretchy, but the butter slime feels like so good. So, okay. And the next slime, what is this slime? I don't know what this one is. I think it's just a plain slime. Yeah, it's just a plain slime. It's not that good. Just a plain purple plain slime. So cool. Okay. 3 more slimes I'm going to be showing you guys. This one is, I think it's a glow-in-the-dark slime, but I'm not so sure. So cool, I love this slime. Let's see, next we have the same slime. This slime is just like a plain pink slime that I recently just fixed up because it was really hard. And now it's like a thick texture, and it's really stretchy. Okay, guys, and I am going to make a part 2. I'll show you guys my slime. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button. And comment down below what other videos I should do. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.